Da-da-da. Hi everyone, and welcome to batch 208 in the freeze dryer. Here we have 10 pounds of salmon meal that is raw, and it's for the dogs. So this is something I definitely would not feed dry to them because of the bones. The freeze-dried bones I feel like might be a little too hard, so I definitely rehydrate this before giving it to them. And if you were here right now and you know what salmon smells like, well, that's what it smells like here. I think somebody was just gagging. This is not my grandson's normal weekend here, but he called me today and said that he wanted to come, so his mom allowed him to come, and I picked him up. So he's right now helping with, oh, I can't tell you what he's doing. Anyway, so let me tell you what this 10 pounds of salmon is, what the paperwork on it is. Okay, so right here just says, 4 trays of salmon. I did a 9-hour freeze and a 24-hour dry cycle, and that's the reason the freeze dryer ran 56 hours. Now, if you know my normal run times, you know that's really good for me. I only added 6 hours and 15 minutes. I'm thinking I added more than that. Maybe? No, I didn't, because of the extra 24-hour time. So this would have been done in 50 hours, and I got my writing caterwonkus there. That's a 0 right there. You just can't see it because I wrote the 5 so dark because I wrote 500 hours. So this should have taken 50 hours and 10 minutes, but actually not even that much. And that's because of this 24-hour dry cycle that I tacked on automatically to the end. And you know why I do that, because I always add dry time. So when I do the Titan Blend dog food, I just go ahead and put that in a large bag that's twice this size. It's this size, like these two together, and put 2.5 pounds in there. But I don't give them a lot of salmon, probably 4 ounces a day. So this will actually go in 1 pound bags. I'll just put 1 pound per bag. And again, these are the bags that I don't particularly like. I want to stop using them altogether because of the LDS bags. I used to think they were the better ones, and then I started using other bags that I really like a lot better. Not that there's anything wrong with these. I don't know. It's just something about the other bags. I like them better. Anyway, so I'll put 1 pound per bag, and I'll have 10 bags, and that'll go in the storage with the dog food. And let me show you what the salmon looks like before I put it in the freeze dryer. So this is a small lump of salmon that is thawing. It's frozen. I get it frozen, and it comes in a large box, and this is probably 1/8 of the box. We broke it in half. Normally I just get it in tubes. Someone had an extra box, and I bought it from them at our Roswell's pickup for the raw feeders. So I got that, and then I just decided just to freeze dry the whole box. So that's what it looks like. It'll thaw. I'll let the water run off, and I'll pour the water off, but I actually go ahead and drain it and then compress it. And the reasoning there is because I want as much salmon and as little water in the freeze dryer as I can get. So then I'll weigh it after I drain it and compress it. So, and then I don't throw away the juice, water, whatever, the moisture that comes off of there, because I feel like it has some nutrients in it, and it definitely tastes like the salmon because the dogs really like to eat that. Alright, so right there is 2.5 pounds of the salmon meal. Now, as you know, fat doesn't freeze dry very well, so I'm very well aware that when I open this, it may have been a failure. I just really wanted to try it because I had a whole 50-pound box extra. I ordered 40 pounds and then came across a 50-pound box, so I bought that one as well. And this one weighs 467 grams. So I will divide that by 2.5, and then that's what I'll put in a bag for 1 pound. So I was going to do these bags and 1 pound, and they seem just a bit small for 1 pound. So I'm going to leave these two in 1 pound, and then I'm going to do half pounds on the other ones. And then that's it. We're almost done with the video. It's going to be a nice short video for the day. But I just wanted to remind you all with this beautiful picture here. And somebody else is going to tell you what it's about.
Hi subscribers. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give us a thumbs up and a notification for our next video.
That's the bell. Yes. Good job. What's our next video going to be?
Shopping, probably.
Why shopping?
If I didn't know you that much, it'd probably be shopping.
Okay, you're going to go shopping with me?
No way, I hate to shop.
Wait, you made me take you to the mall. Was that different?
Yeah.
Why was that different?
'Cause it's for me.
Yeah, even when Nick is hungry, he doesn't want to go to the grocery store. He just wants the food to magically appear out of anywhere. But anyway, guys, we're all done, and thanks for watching.
Subscribe!
Yes, and let me know in the comments, what did you prep today? And if you remind me in a year from now, I will pull out a bag of this salmon, which you know salmon's high in fat, and fat doesn't freeze dry very well. And then I will go ahead and test it to see if it's rancid or if it's good, and then we'll rehydrate some. And yeah, that's it. So be blessed, everyone.